Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute boat. So let's get started. In the first part, I will draw the boat part, and for that, I will draw a straight line like this, slowly and steadily. Now, from this point, I will draw a curved line moving inward like this in an inward direction, and then from this point again another curved line moving inward like this. Here we go. Now I will draw a straight line moving all across at the bottom. The hull of our body is now complete. In the second step, I will draw the main pole or the mast of our cute boat. For that, I will start drawing a straight line coming from the top all the way to the bottom like this. Now from this point, I will make a curved line and then again drawing a straight line parallel to the first line. Just like this. Here we go. Our second step is now complete. In the third step, I will draw the sails of our cute boat, and for that, I will draw two triangles on both sides. For the main sail, let's draw a bigger triangle, a slanting line like this, and then a straight line moving inward and meeting the main pole. Our main sail is ready. Now, the smaller sail, or which is also known as the jib, again a slanting line like this. This triangle will be a bit smaller than the previous one, and then a straight line at the very bottom and connecting it to the main pole. Our third step is now complete. In the fourth step, I will draw some cute detail on the hull of our cute boat. I will draw a cute heart just like this. You can add any detail you want. In the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent, and I will fast forward the step. Let's color our cute boat. For the boat part, I will be using light blue color. For the heart, bright red. For the main pole, dark brown. And for the sails, purple and orange. So let's get started. Our cute bird is now ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.